Hello friends, today I came with the book of Jaya Mahabharata written by the Devdutt Patnaik and published by the Penguin Majula. Mahabharata are the known to most of us, but the legend of Devdutt Patnaik, the legend is different. He researches folklore and regional stories along with the Sanskrit text and base them on narrative story and creates novels. In Jai Mahabharata, he has reproduced the great epic of India, Mahabharata. He has reproduced the great epic of India, Mahabharata. He presented the Mahabharata on the basis of astronomy calculations. Some such details are also presented in it, which are very little known. Through this book, you will also get information that Draupadi is worshipped as a goddess in Tamil Nadu. Most of us don't know about it. In the Mahabharata, the Pandavas enter Lakshkriya, Devdrutkida. Yudhishthira defeated Draupadi in the game, and then there are many such incidents like Duryodhan refusing to give 5 grams or village after the Pandavas' forest movement, which the author tries to teach the reader by connecting it with the present context. Devdutt Patnaik wrote the many books. There are few best-selling books are Myth, My Gita, Business Sutra, The Pregnant King, Jaya, that I am saying, an illustrated retelling of the Mahabharata, Shikhandi, Krishna, etc. So, Devdutt Patnaik give us all the spiritual context in a very simple and effective way. Not only the pictorial but also a very simple language, and also give us the summaries of the Gitas and Mahabharata. Most of us don't know how to read the Mahabharata. For them, it is a very good book to know about all the context of Mahabharata in a simple and specific way. It edifies our knowledge with a very simple manner.